Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing how to use some of the new Easter sets to create a quick non-holiday themed card. So let's get started. First I stamped the carrot bunch from Loads of Spring and the bunny from Easter Buddies with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder. I used 3 Copic markers to color the orange in the carrots. I start with a layer of Y17, then add my darkest shade YR18 along one side of each carrot. Then I come in with YR16 along the same edge and on the opposite edge to create the illusion of roundness. Finally, I blend it out with the Y17 marker. Then I used G28, G24, and G21 for the leaves. Since the greenery is really small, I start with the darkest color first and then simply blend out to the lightest. I used toner grays for the bunny and a little R00 and R02 for his cheeks and ears. Once I'm done coloring, I die cut them with the coordinating honey cuts. Next, I take a piece of pattern paper that resembles a sunrise from the Hot Tropics paper pad and trim it down to 4 by 5 1/4. I adhere it to a top folding card base and then add the carrots along the bottom with regular adhesive and the bunny with foam mounting tape. Off camera, I stamped the sentiment from Hoppy Easter onto black cardstock with embossing ink and heat embossed it with a white embossing powder before die cutting it with the coordinating die. I use foam mounting tape to adhere it to the panel as well. Finally, I add a few accents with a white gel pen to finish the card. And that's it. These sets, of course, are perfect for Easter, but they're also perfect for everyday cards too. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!